Hello friends. Friends, today we will discuss about how to calculate electric field intensity due to linear charge distribution. Now, the concept of linear charge distribution has been already discussed by me in one of the previous video lectures. So, linear charge density is given by lambda is equals to dq by dl. Now, lambda is known as linear charge density. dq means a very small amount of charge placed on a very small line element. Like we can see here that this is a line lengthwise. Here the charge is distributed, and if we will take this small line element dl, so we have to calculate the electric field intensity due to charge placed at this line element, the electric field intensity at another point P. Suppose here the charge is placed, the test charge is placed Q naught or Q, okay, whatever you want to say. So linear charge density is given by lambda is equals to dq by dl. To calculate total force F on a test charge Q naught, due to linear charge distribution. This is the linear charge distribution. We consider a small element of length dl, like here as shown in figure, of the line having length L. The small amount of charge on this element is dq. So our aim is to calculate the electric field intensity at test charge placed here at any point P due to this small amount of charge. Now as lambda is equals to dq by dl, therefore dq is equals to lambda dl, equation number 1. This force on Q naught, that is test charge due to this charge element, is given by Coulomb's law. dF is equals to Q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught dq by r square r cap, where r cap will be the direction on which the force is applied. Okay, so this is the r cap. Now put equation 1 here, that is the value of dq here. So above equation will become Q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda dl by r square r cap. The total force will be, if we integrate above equation, so df will become f, and this side will become Q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda by integration of lambda by r square r cap dl. Remember, this line element is also a vector, okay, and the vector symbol is on L. The dl is like this, okay, but the L is, the vector is on the L symbol only. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now as electric field intensity is equals to F by Q naught, if we put the equation number 2 in this equation, that is the value of force, so E is equals to Q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught by Q naught integral of lambda by r square r cap dl. Q naught cancel out, so we will get E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught integral of lambda by r square dl r cap. This is the electric field intensity due to linear charge distribution. Remember, what is the meaning of linear charge distribution? When the charge is distributed along a lengthwise. Okay, so I hope so you have understood this concept. If there is any doubt, please share in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.